guys, today I'm gonna cook the dumplings I made the other days. And so today we're going to cook it in 3 ways. The first one is steam, and then boiling it, and then finally we're going to fry it. Okay, now let's start with the steaming. So if you don't have a steamer, this is the easier way you can steam it. So you can add some water in the wok. And then put it on, put the dumpling in. Or you can use a plate on it, like this. And then cover it. You just need to steam it for like 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. If you don't have this one at your home, no worries, you can use this pot and this bowl. Put some water in it and then do it in this way. But make sure don't put too much water in the pot, because when the water is boiling, you don't want the water go into the dumpling. So see, like you put 1/3 of the water of the pot, and now you cover it and steam it, yeah, like 15 to 20 minutes too. See, it's easy, right? So now let's move to boiling it. So when the water is boiling, you put the dumpling in, stirring it after you put it in. Yeah, just involve the dumpling not stick on the pot. We're boiling the dumpling about 10 minutes. You wanna stirring it for a little bit while. Cover it. When the dumpling is floating on the water, and then give it 1 or 2 minutes more, then you can get it out. Alright, now I'm gonna make the soy sauce for the boiling dumpling. I need to heat some oil. So I'm gonna use some garlic, green onion, and chili. And then some white sesame. If you like black pepper, you can add some black pepper too, or white pepper powder. Okay, so when you see the smoke come out of the oil, means it's really heat. It's okay. Now we want to put the oil in the ingredients. And then I'm gonna add some soy sauce. Okay, we need a little salt and a little sugar in the soy sauce. A little salt. Okay, this is the soy sauce, the soulmate of the boiling dumpling. And if you like cilantro, you can add some cilantro in it too. Because I don't have it today, so I couldn't make it. But cilantro is very nice with it too. Boiling dumpling, also very easy, right? So finally, let's fry it. And I bet you might like this way the best, because my husband likes it the best. Okay. So to fry the dumpling, the heat of the fire is very important. So in the beginning, we use high heat to warm the pan, and then we turn it to medium or a little bit lower than medium, and then put the dumpling in. When you have the dumpling in, you use the medium fire. Now while it's cooking, I'm gonna make some flour water. So when the dumpling turned golden on the bottom. See? Add the flour water to it. And then cover it. Give it a few minutes. Okay, now in 6 minutes, we can take the cover or turn the fire a little bit higher to make the flour water completely dry. So now you can see the flour water getting dry, and it's like a pancake, a very thin pancake on the bottom of it, and it will taste crispy. So yeah, this is the the best part of it. Now it's getting dry, and see, you can move it. Give it a little bit time until the flour it turns to golden. Frying dumplings. Ta-da! The frying dumplings. See? This is quite easy, right? Smells so good, and you should try it. This is very easy, right?